some response and answers for this question. What is the importance of data science or data analytics? But how? Okay, by analyzing the data, we can take decisions. Okay, then. Okay, we can get to know what like जो decision law, whether it is correct or wrong, we can get to know by data science or data analysis. Then one by one. Okay. We can get to know the areas where we should improve ourselves. Then to analyze. Okay, we got to know these are the importance, but now we will discuss one example. And we will go with e-commerce example. You can take any example. You only choose one e-commerce website or e-commerce platform domain. Which example do you want to take? And real life example. First, go with Amazon. I know you all know Amazon is a big giant in e-commerce. So go with Amazon and now tell me how and where Amazon is getting the data and how they are analyzing and which decisions they have taken in the last 2 months or 3 months. Okay, tell me from where they are getting their data. Customer reviews then. And okay, orders. Then search history. Good. Then and based on which technology Amazon is working, AI, ML or DL? ML, na? ML. Why ML? They are just first step in ML. What is the first step in ML? To get data, analyze data, train model, and after that, last session to take decisions. First step is in ML. What is the first step? Provide the data to the machine. And in what kind of data they are providing in Amazon example? Your first one, search history, your orders, your feedback reviews, purchase history and whatever. Then, any example on which kind of data you guys are providing to Amazon? Fast. Okay. First step is there. We need to provide the data, and after that, second step is we need to analyze some kind of patterns. What do you mean by patterns in the data? Data दाखव. यारा मतलब इन्हीं patterns आहेत. त्या data मध्ये कोणते patterns असतात? Yeah, good one. Repeat orders, like number of repeat orders. Customers, what they are repeating the orders. That is the first pattern. Then second one, color choices or whatever. There are color patterns. For example, headset. In headset there are a lot of varieties, but both they are going with only Roper series. And why Roper series? Because from the customer reviews and all. Then after analyzing data, then third step, they will train the model, and after training the model, they will make the decision. For example, if you are searching shoes or whatever, they will prefer some most ordered shoes on the first page. They will give preference for those shoes. On the field. Shall we move ahead? Now we will discuss that theoretical part, whatever they have mentioned. Okay, definition data driven. What do you mean by data driven? Someone said earlier. What do you mean by data driven decision? Okay, decision based on the data and traditional. Extra time to discuss this column in detail, but I think you would have understood. Okay, first one is the importance of data analysis. First one is marketing analytics, and like Vikas. What's your name? I forgot. Vikas. Earlier we were discussing Vikas has started one company, and now he wants to market. You want to start marketing about this company. So what are the ways to public to get famous in the market? How you will market? Because what are the ways of marketing? First one, social media. Second, in social media, how you will post not only newspaper, not only TV channels. There are a lot of ways of marketing. Please watch Shark Tank if you get extra time on YouTube. We have English channel also. If you want to watch in Hindi, there are a lot of channels of Shark Tank in Hindi also. If you want US based, you can watch US based Shark Tank. First one is marketing. Then second one, any idea? Because if you have studied one, you need one HR. That is the most important for your company. Second one is finance analysis and HR. You need marketing for your company. You need data. Then third one, finance analytics. How many types of investors are there? We discussed earlier. Guys, from here you will get your investors. What are the ways to get investments into your company? Guys, case studies we have already discussed a lot of examples of this. Before discussing tools and technologies, I just want to remind all of you of this. Guys, we have discussed a lot of examples and I don't want to waste that much of time on these examples. Before shift, whatever. Before discussing tools and technologies for your business growth, I just want to revise whatever we have discussed. We have started with business analysis and what is the definition and in simple words what do you mean by business analytics. And after that we discussed from where we can get our data, and after getting the data what we need to do and how we can analyze that data for using Python and all in this domain or in this topic we discuss about that. But before that, after that we discuss about data, some kind of not talking about non-IT, I am talking about IT data, information and insights. And after that, what we discuss? Types of data. Okay, that is the theoretical part. That is first one is descriptive. Second one, diagnostic. Third one, predictive, and last one, descriptive. Okay. And what do you mean by information? What do you mean by information? The data which is already sorted in such kind of sectional or in order wise, male, female, whatever the sections are there, it is called information. And what do you mean by prescriptive? Guys, they will not ask you in order what do you mean by prescriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive. So now you tell me what do you mean by prescriptive analysis? What should we do after analyzing the data? After that, what we have discussed? We have discussed some key resources. Let it be. We are not going to add that. And the last topic we are going to discuss, that is tools and technologies. Any doubt till now? Any question? Guys, don't feel sir is there and please ask. If you have any question, if you have any doubt, please ask. On this topic or whatever we have discussed till now, you can ask. If you want to discuss these things, if you want to discuss that. And or if you want to discuss the debate also, you can ask. Is there any doubt or any question? Please ask. Girls, any question? Shall we start this? Okay. For data analytics, do you know any topics? Sorry, do you know any tools and technologies? Sorry? Okay, Power BI, right? Okay, any other tools? Any other tools? Excel sheet or MS Excel. Then, have you ever used MS Excel or MS Excel sheet? Paka? So that is the most common data analytic tools nowadays, and for Python data analytics there is one website. Okay, Pandas and Numpy. There is one website for data analytics, so some visualization was there on that website. I just covered that thing. We have mentioned Excel is the most common tool for data analytics because they are nature and beginner friendly. We all know Excel is very easy to use, and second one, what is widely used in companies. Excel they have one free version also and paid version also. Have you ever used paid version? Excel? No. When you try paid version also, there are a lot of features and a lot of techniques to use Excel, and then the last one is great for small and medium businesses. For example, for startup or if you have started Ali, last time if you have started one company, for example, class company, you need data, and data to manage that data you need one tool, and for that for a beginner level Excel is best. For a giant Excel is not so good, and why not so good?